Hi, Michael Forkas here. This is our new listing at 2742 Broadmoor Avenue in Concord. It's a great neighborhood. It's in the Concord Estates. Let's take a look. Here's the exterior. Cute white picket fence. Ranch style home. Walk inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, approximately 1,020 square feet. Walk through the living room into the dining room. Great floor plan. Engineered hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, gas range, microwave, walk down the hallway, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and then we're utilizing this 3rd bedroom as the master suite. Spin around. Bathrooms been updated. The lot size is 7,000 square feet. Possible opportunity for an ADU. Nice little patio. Big backyard. Walk out to our shed. Cute. It's a cute home. Great opportunity. Purchase price is $598. Again, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Here's the garage. 2-car garage. Washer and dryer hookups, utility sink. So, if you'd like more information on this house, give me a call. I'm Michael Forkas from the Forkas Home Team. My number is 925-351-4924. Have a great day.